Welcome to Sudoku SkVm. I'm going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on December 2, 2022. One star Sudoku. 8th row, 10th row, we have 8. Column H also we have 8. So it can't come these cells. The 8 is confirmed here. Column H, column G, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. The 3 is confirmed here. Third grade, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. Then column I, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 7, 4. Third row, we have 2 and 7. So 2 and 7 can't come in this cell, it will come in another 2 cells. Fourth row, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then column I, only one number is remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. Third grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 6. Second row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Sixth row, column G, we have 5. So 5 can't come in these cells, then 5 is confirmed here. Column I, column J, 9th row, 10th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come in these cells, the 9 is confirmed here. 6th row, we have 1 and 7. So 1 and 7 can't come in this cell, it will come in another 2 cells, we will confirm later. Then column H, only one number is remaining, 2 is confirmed here. 6th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 8, it will come in another 2 cells, we will confirm later. Then column G, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 6, it will come in another 2 cells, we will confirm later. 6th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 8, it will come in another 2 cells, we will confirm later. Column B, 3rd row and 4th row, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells, then 7 is confirmed here. Column C, column D, 4th row, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells, then 1 is confirmed here. Then second row, only one number is remaining, 4 is confirmed here. Column F, we have 4, so 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Column D and third row, we have pair numbers, 4 and 3. So 4 and 3 can't come these cells, it will come in another 2 cells, we will confirm later. Third row and column G, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells, then 5 is confirmed here. Fourth row, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 9. Column G, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here, then 6 is here. Then first grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 8, it will come in on the 2 cells, we will confirm later. Then third row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 9, column E, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here, then 1 is here. 10th row, we have 5, so 5 can't come in the cell, then 5 is confirmed here. Then column D, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 8. 10th row, we have 8, so 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here, then 6 is here. Then third row, only one number is remaining, 6 is confirmed here. 10th row, we have 6, so 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here, then 2 is here. 10th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 7, 4. Column F, we have 4, so 4 can't come in the cell, then 4 is confirmed here. Then 10th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 7, it will come in on the 2 cells, we will confirm later. Column C and 8th row, we have 5, so 5 can't come these cells, then 5 is confirmed here. Then 7th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 7. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column C, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Then column C, only one number is remaining, 8. 8 is confirmed here. Fifth row, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then column B, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 6. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column G, 3 numbers are remaining, 1 to 4. 7th row, we have 1 and 4. So 1 and 4 can't come this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then only one number is remaining, 2. 2 is confirmed here. 8th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Column E, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. Then 2 is confirmed here. 8th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then 8th row, only one number is remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. 8th grade, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. 9th row, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then 10th row, only one number is remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. Then column F, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 3. 7th row, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Then 7th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then column E, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 7. 7th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share in this video. Thank you very much.